Gold zoomed past the record levels here and hit 3168 in the earlier trade today with the tariffs announcement and the demand for safe havens is increasing. We have seen gold scaling to the record levels while silver is the one which is stayed silent, which is rather traded negative, and it has already hit $33 levels, now struggling at 33.50. What to expect now from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Is it going to go past 3200? That is what the big question is. Or we are looking forward to a round of drop. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, you can see the support levels here around 20 and 50 period moving average. It tries to breach it. It is moved towards close to 3100, failing to stay below 3100. Now see, it has formed a triple support at 3100. Very, very crucial for gold to trade below 3100. And for the day, this is the zone which we should watch out for. Yesterday, I have mentioned a breakout beyond 3140 should invite more bulls. What has happened post 3140? We have seen it scaling to the record levels at 3168 now. Now it has to fall back within the zone here. It has to come back within the zone here, that is 3140, 3120. And how it is going to behave in this zone, that is 3140, 3120, will decide the future of gold. Because see, once it falls back within the zone, it will erase the gains here, and then we can see a drop. And a drop below 3100 should invite a greater correction. Right now there is no such sign. It is scaling highs, it is roaring bullish, it is right now looking upward. Look at the hourly charts here. Here also you can see diminishing bearishness. It is just consolidating here, and it appears a breakout it might deliver. However, right now I can see a bit of you can say resilience on the upside, and thus if you see it is staying below 3140, you can take a selling entry. But then 3136 first support levels, 3130 the next, and then towards 3120 it has got great support. Only bearishness today is below 3120 levels. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over for a buy. It is looking upwards, trading in green. The RSI is comfortable. On the 2-hour charts, if you see similar observation, see the previous candle, it is of consolidation, lower highs, higher lows, and now the current one has to trade below 3140. If it stays below 3140, remember, again, as I said, it may fall back within this consolidation zone, and then we can look forward to a greater correction. Notice what's happening. See, a good round of rise, then the retracement support here, and then the second round of rise. And if it reverses from here, it might break below 3100. But right now there are no signs of it. We have to wait for it to stay below 3140 and to trade below 3120. These are the two levels which are going to decide the future of gold prices today. Stochastic looking downwards right now, but the MACD has crossed over and it is trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is almost comfortable near to top. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. See, it has formed slightly higher lows. It can bounce back, it can rise again. I will wait for it to stay below 3140. That is the only level below which you can expect slight bearishness. And notice after the rise, retracement support here, double top, and if it reverses from here, it is going to be a massive move as well. Be mindful of this. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. If it can rise strong, it can reverse sharp as well. You can see nothing in the markets is getting spared from the tariffs, be it the energy sector, be it the indices, be it the stocks. Everything is taking a tumble here, including silver as well. But right now gold is very much resilient, and it is also staying overbought on the larger time frames, and thus this zone is going to be a caution zone for us. And hence today is going to be the day where we have to exercise extra caution. A move beyond 3156 should be a good idea for us to, or good point for us to take a buying position. As long as it stays below 3156, we have to be careful with the buys here. See the stochastic at top here, the MACD is trying to cross over. It is not at, you can say, not at crossed over, it is staying flat. The RSI is also flat. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, see what a candle it is formed, and see it is closed at almost flat and with the doji. Now what could happen? See, it is started on a bullish note. If it stays below 3140, if it stays below 3140, you can expect 3136, 35 at the first, 3130 at the next, and then what will happen? It may form a symmetry here. Symmetry means the similar candle here on the downside, and which might take it towards 3120. And if it stays below 3120, we can look forward to a move towards 3100 below, which you can expect a greater correction. Right now it is not showing any such sign here. It is staying bullish, looking upwards, starting in green, that it may continue in green here. Moving averages anyways are divergent and bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD is trying to converge here. It is not yet crossed over. It is still in red, and this may lead to or this can continue here on the downside. Wait for a crossover here in order to confirm the reversal. RSI is flat near to top. Coming to daily. Now look at the daily charts here. See higher highs here, higher lows here. This is the channel, and till 3100 it has got extremely strong support levels, and as long as 3100 is not taken, you have to be careful with the buys or with the sells here. Below 3100 is where you can expect a greater correction. Right now it is not delivering any such move, and thus the zone today, that is 3120, 3140, is going to be very critical for the day. It is trading with divergence from the 20 period, calls for it to converge. The stochastic overbought. The MACD is also trading with divergence and bullishness, and the RSI is overbought. Yes, gold is certainly entering into an overbought zone, but it is continuing to do so since long now, and the time for it to reverse has to be there soon, but it is right now not showing any such signs. For the day, I will recommend you to buy. But now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, only buying entry today is to be above 3156 levels. Above that, you can expect 3161, 3168.70, and then if that is taken, you can expect 3185 or in fact 3200 levels today itself. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. What we had seen so far in gold, it can continue to deliver this bullish moves for it till eternity. But remember, anything which goes up has to come down. Let's see if today is the day for it to deliver the down move here, and thus I will say you can sell here at 3140 levels. Below 3140 is where you can expect the bears to take over, and also I can see a good enough consolidation around 3150, 55 levels, so you have to be watchful around these levels. And now if it trades below 3140, you can expect it to move towards 3135, 36 as the first target zone, 3130 as the next. And if it stays below 3130, chances will be very high that we may see it breaking below 3120. Any move below 3120 should take it towards 3110, 12 the first target, and 3100 the next. A drop below 3100 should take gold into the correction zone. Expect 3080, 3040. Let's see, the direction it takes today is going to be very critical for gold. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver, silver is the one which is traded in a unidirection mode. You can see it has failed to stay above 3420, which is the critical resistance zone I have mentioned yesterday as well. The moving averages here have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, and see the resistance it is getting from the moving averages. And thus today only bullishness is seen if you see silver trading above $34 levels. As long as it stays below $34 levels, you should not be treating this as bullish. In fact, even if it stays above 34, 2025 is the first milestone, and if that is taken, then you can say this is the reversal. Else, very clear, I have mentioned yesterday as well, drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement, and see this is how it has been trading. This is a nice bearish channel here. The lows here are towards 33. It has already crossed 33 in the earlier trades today. And if you see silver trading below 3340 levels, the higher price has to be below 3340. You can take a sell here and expect it to move towards $33 levels again. Below 33 is where you can expect the bears to take over. 3275, 3250 levels to be there, and below that it should fall into a correction zone. Stochastic, comfortable. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts, if you see, on the 2-hour charts, notice what it has done. Look at the preceding two candles here. See, despite opening lower, it has bounced back. Also notice what's happening here. See, it has achieved the lows here and it has achieved the highs here. This is the zone in which it is trying to struggle. A drop below 3340 is where we can see the pressure on the downside will increase, and then again there will be a move which is going to take it all the way towards $33 levels. But right now, if you see what's happening, look at the last couple of candles. See, it has bounced back here, then a reversal has appeared, then again prices. So you can see there is a consistent downside pressure here, and if it breaks below 3340, certainly we can say that the bears might try to take over there, else it is still not bearish. The stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD is also trading bearish. The RSI is flat here. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. See, hitting the high that is trying to reverse. A drop below 3340 is where you can say that now the bears are back and you can look forward to a greater correction. Right now, in under consolidation as of now, the stochastic has dropped. The MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, see, look at the preceding few candles. You can see This could become a reversal sign if it trades above 34. Then this should also be treated as a breakout. Else you can see what a beautiful channel silver has created, and this is a bearish channel. It is very very important also for silver to trade below 3280, 3250 zone. That will confirm the down move here. Else right now I can see it is under retracement. After this good rise, it is retracing here. Now 3340 is one level it needs to break, below which you can expect the bearishness today. Else we can see a consolidation between 34 and 3340 for a while in silver. Stochastic flat, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, notice the move here: rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and see every time it has taken a dip here. On the daily charts, you can notice consistently lower highs are seen, and right now it is starting on a bearish note. You can see it has hit the highs, now looking down. But at the same time, you must notice the support it is getting at around 20 period moving average. Very very important for silver to stay below 20 period. Yesterday also I mentioned, see, divide this into two. You can see this is what is happening, and this can continue here like this. And now very very important for silver to trade below 33, because below 33 and 3280 is where silver will fall into a correction zone, where we will look forward to the next targets towards 32 and $31 levels. Let's see if it takes this hit today. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD here has crossed over, which is a good sign for the bear. See, this is trading with divergence, this is staying and looking downwards, which is not a good sign for the bulls. The RSI looking downwards as well. So considering this, now only selling entry today is at 3340 levels, below which you can expect silver to move towards 33, 3275, 3250 levels, below which 32 should be there. These are uncertain time, and anything and everything is possible. On the upside, the buying entry has to be ideally above 34 and 34.2025. If this zone between 34 and 34.2025 is taken, you can say that the bulls are back. You can look forward to a rally here. You can look forward to a complete reversal here. Next targets are going to be towards 34, 50, 60, and then towards the moon towards 35. Though looking at the move, it appears silver might not deliver such a move today. But yes, again, these are markets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.